Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open the developer console in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to open the developer console is easy. You will need just to go to the setup menu and from there you will find the developer console. But first, you will need to already have the developer uh, uh, permissions and privileges so you can be able to open the developer console. You can edit these in the users and in profiles. So you can go to the users here and define their permissions and one of these permissions like the developer console. So as you can see, they are in the profile. So we need just to give them a profile that allows them to use the developer console. So after that, you will need just to go simply here, click on the developer console, and now you will be able to open the developer console. So from here, you will be able to start create your own workspaces. You can start creating your own classes, the Apex class, triggers, and all the components or other components. So we can simply, for example, go to the debug, and of course, you will need also to have a license that allows you to use the developer console if you don't already have one. And basically, from here, you can start creating your code or executing the queries of Salesforce. So from here, you can create a new workspace that will be allowing you to, or that will improve some productivity. So you can always find the same things that you would like or that you are working on, and they will be frequent, etc. And test where you can run your tests or when you can run your codes. And of course, there are the logs, etc., that you can find here where you can see all the elements or the operations or the outputs of your codes, etc., that will appear here in their user, the ones that executed that code, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.